Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So the December 2024 Treasury Bond auction just dropped, and guess what? Big news today. We have experienced an oversubscription like never before. The subscription rate is like, it has been subscribed by 285%. 285%. As in, the government was expecting to receive just 25 billion, and it received bids worth 70 billion, over 72 billion. Can you imagine? And out here on social media and on the streets, these people who are buying these government securities are busy telling us how the government of Kenya is about to default in its debt. If the government is about to default, then who are these people who are still buying these government securities? Remember, they have a chance, they have an opportunity to invest outside the country. Who are these guys who are oversubscribing in these treasury bonds? Anyways, I am so happy. Kindly, please like this video. Like this video. If you haven't subscribed, press the subscribe button, because if you don't, believe me, you are going to lose out a lot. You are bound to lose out a lot. And to those who have already subscribed, to the members of Wealthwise community, asanteni sana. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you for the comments that you guys leave. Thank you for the questions that you guys ask in the comment section. You guys make YouTube to push out these videos to more people. And why am I happy doing this video? Because I know I am empowering more households. Yeah, previously these bonds will be subscribed by the institutions, by your MMFs, by your banks, by your circles, by your church, by the universities, by your politicians. Okay? And now it's time for us, for you and I, to enjoy a piece of this pie. So please press the subscribe button so that next time when I upload a video, you'll get to see, and so that YouTube can push out this video to more people. Now, I told you CBK had reopened three papers. We had FXD1 2018-20, which is a paper which was first issued in the year 2018, and it was issued for 20 years. And then now we had FXD1 2023-10, which had a coupon rate of 14%. The 2018 had a 13% coupon rate, right? The 2023-10 was first issued in the year 2023, and it is running for 10 years. And then the last paper, whose result is yet to come out, is FXD1 2024-10, which has a coupon rate of 16%. But leave aside the 2024 paper. Today, the results for the two papers, the FXD1 2018 and the 2023 paper, are out. These ones carries with them coupon rates of 14.15%, and the other one is 13.2%. Yeah? Now, the oversubscription on these papers, what does it tell us? What does it tell you? Number one, whatever Berlin has been telling you guys is accurate. It's correct. If you have been in this channel for a while, you must have heard me telling you severally that if you have money that you like to invest in the bond, this is a perfect time to take it. Why? Because interest rates are on a downward trajectory. Interest rates are coming down. And this is why your bankers, your money market funds, your circles, and all these, even your politicians, by the way, the ones who are busy telling you that the government is going to default, are buying these treasury bonds. That is why we are seeing an oversubscription. The demand for the treasury bond has become higher. Why? Because these are still at a higher rate. The interest rates are coming down. The Treasury bill for last week, the 90 days and the 180 days Treasury bill rates were at 11%. They were auctioned at 11%. The 1 year Treasury bill was auctioned at 12%. Within the next few months, expect the 1 year Treasury bill to be auctioned at 11%. And it is going to hit as low as 10%, with the 90-day Treasury bill hitting a single digit. So if you have your money in an MMF account, and it's not money that you need to use in the short term, it's money that you are saving to meet your long-term objectives, what's stopping you from taking up the bonds? Do you still think that the government is going to default? Anyways, what else do you learn from this, from the oversubscription? There is still a high level of confidence in the government of Kenya. Why? Because the securities are still attractive. Yeah, we are seeing investors still have, and these are not investors of people like Berlin who invest just 50,000 shillings or 1 million or 200,000 shillings. No, these are institutional investors. These are investors that invest huge sums of money, 50 million, 100 million, 400 million, whatever amount there is. Yeah, these are big investors, huge investors, and you cannot just start investing, putting lump sum amounts of money in an asset that you don't have any understanding of. Of course, they are professionals. Your MMFs are run by professionals. The professionals have the ability to do feasibility studies. They have the ability. They have analytical skills. They can analyze the political environment. They can analyze our economy. They can analyze our market, the Kenyan market, and know when to jump out of the market or when to stay in. There is a high level of confidence in the Kenyan government, and we have experienced that in the oversubscription. Now, think about this. These papers, I've told you they were paying coupons at 13% and at 14%. Now, we still have a third paper whose results have not been released yet. And this one has a coupon rate of 16%. If these lower coupons, they are high coupons, but in comparison to the third paper, these two have lower coupons, yeah, 13 and 14%, have an oversubscription of 185%. Oversubscription of 185%. In other words, 100 plus 185, as in they have been subscribed. There is a subscription of 280, over 280%. What level of oversubscription or what level of subscription do you think the third paper is going to be subscribed at? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And why are investors, why are your financials, why are your banks, why are the circles, why are the MMFs running to take up these treasury bonds like this? Why are we seeing an oversubscription? Because interest rates are coming down. And remember, I had told you that there are two ways of earning from the bond, from the treasury bonds. Yeah, you can earn capital gains and you can also earn coupons. So what are your financial institutions doing? They are packing up, they are buying lots of these bonds, knowing very well that come next year, the rates will have hit lower levels. The rates are on a downward trajectory. I have told you guys, I think your money market funds have started watching my videos. The rates are coming down, okay? And with the rates coming down, come next year, they will be able to earn higher coupons at a time when the rates are lower. Number one. Number two, they are going to recognize, they are going to realize paper gains. Why? Because they'll be having high yield treasury bonds in their books or in their balance sheets. So the difference between the amount they invested now and the value of that paper then is going to be their capital gain. But you as an individual, if you are to invest in this paper and take it at a par value of 1 million, come next year, when interest rates are lower, when the rates have hit 9% or 10%, you can sell this paper at a premium. And when you sell the paper at a premium, you can earn, or you will earn, capital gain. So even as you invest in these treasury bonds, as you invest in the bonds, even though it's an 8-year paper, the maturity is 8 years away. Yeah, you can still buy it now if you have a short-term objective, and then once the rates hit down, once the interest rates come down, because like now it's given the interest rates are on a downward trajectory. I think, have you guys seen the reports where banks have been asking CBK to lower their CBR rate? What do you think will happen when the CBR rate has come down? Do you think the treasury bill rate is still going to be higher, or the T-bond rate is still going to be higher when the CBR rate has come down and bank rates have come down? Certainly not. So it's true. What I have been telling you has been true all along. I told you in this channel, we make wise investment decisions. That's the benefit of being in this channel. So if you didn't have a chance to onboard the treasury bonds before, because you are afraid of the rumors that the banking industry is going to collapse, that the government is about to collapse in its debt, this is an opportunity for you to ask yourself if it is indeed true that the banking sector is collapsing. If it is indeed true that the government of Kenya is going to collapse, is going to default in its debt, then who are these institutional investors who are oversubscribing, who are bidding 285% of what CBK had wanted? Who are these guys? Remember, they have all the professional knowledge that are required to analyze an economic situation or to analyze a viable investment opportunity. They are more knowledgeable than I am. Yeah? Because there are different minds put together, different great minds put together. Of course, they sit on those banks, they sit on those MMFs, they sit on those circles, they sit on those investment banks. Who are these guys who still have this level of confidence in the government of Kenya and oversubscribe to this level? You tell me in the comment section, what do you think about it? Do you still think that investing in the treasury bond is not a worthwhile investment? Leave me a comment in the comment section and see you on the next video.